Come to America, baby. Shit, go inside, go inside. Let's go to, where am I supposed to go to? I'm supposed to go to, right now I'm going to Target to try and get myself one of these plugins. Because I can't charge my phone, I can't charge anything, my laptop, my power banks, can't do anything. So I need a new one. So hopefully we're gonna try and find one. And also I need to do some groceries because I need food, I need water. And that's it. So let's go. Oh my god, it's so bright. It's so bright but so pretty at the same time. Look at it, very pretty. It's a fucking squirrel, look at him. It is so hot, bro. Why am I wearing a hoodie? Guys, I'm not gonna lie, this place pretty nice, dude. The weather, bro, it's so. Oh, squirrels! Oh my god! Look at them! Look at them! Oh, he sees me. Come here. He's looking at me. Yeah. Oh my god! Oh, he's so close. He's so close. Come here, buddy. Oh my god, look at him. Oh my god, he's so close. Look at him. Oh my god, look at this. I'm gonna try and feed him this stick. Come here. Come on, eat this stick. Oh, look at this guy, bro. He's so used to people. It's so cool. Come here, eat this stick. Look at this guy. So cool, bro. Oh my god. It is so freaking hot. It's unreal. You know what I just realized? I bought all my groceries. They're in here. But I forgot the one thing that I was actually going to buy, and that was a plug-in for this piece of crap right here. So I can charge my phone, so I can charge my laptop. I forgot it. So I'll have to go back sometime today, but for now I'm gonna cook some food, eat some delicious meals that I bought, and then we'll see what happens. You know, as someone who's from not the UK and not from the USA, it's always nice when I have unlimited access to Prime, ladies and gentlemen. One thing I do want to say though before I totally observe this food is that, first of all, there are a lot of beautiful human beings out there and all of them look exactly the same. The weather here is beautiful. It is so hot in here and the food is alright. And buy some Prime. This video is sponsored by Prime. Alright boys, I got the stuff. I finally have bought this thing right here. It's kind of weird, not gonna lie, but it works. I can charge everything right now, which is kind of cool. Good morning guys. You know what the greatest breakfast ever is? Eggs and noodles. It is just so good. It is so good. You know, being so far away from friends and family, it's definitely scary being here all by yourself across the Atlantic Ocean. You can't really rely on anyone except for yourself, and that's a very scary thing. I just gotta make the best out of it, you know? And today we are going towards the city for the first time. Guys, today is the last normal evening of this, well, not of this trip, but of this part of the trip, because in 2 days I'm going to Kings Island. So that means that we have this evening where I'm gonna watch a nice movie. I'm gonna edit a little bit on the vlogs, and tomorrow night I'm going to an epic metal concert that's like 30 minutes away from my house. So that's gonna be very nice. You guys are gonna kind of see it, and then we'll see what happens. But it's gonna be cool, it's gonna be epic. So we've got editing movie vlog, editing movie night, we got concert night, and then we're off to Kings Island, baby, which is gonna be so much fun!
You don't need a weapon, you have a knife that shanks the shite out of them. Shanks the shite out of them. Yeah, knife from my the time. Oh, so much money, give me that dog, boy.
This is literally the greatest trilogy ever made, and you cannot change my mind.
Tim,
Yeah.
is he camping you?
No, he's not.
Are you sure?
No.
Are you positive?
Yeah. Get me, get me. Oh, damn it.
Shut up, Tim. Why would you say that? You fucking idiot.
Run, no, run.